Please introduce yourself, Koya.
So my name is Umashankar Oya. I am from Koraput. I have completed my matriculation from SSBM Koraput in 2008. After that, I did my +2 in science from Talents College of Science and Technology in 2010. After that, I pursued BTech from National Institute of Science and Technology, Barampur, in the year 2014, sir.
Umashankar, good. You come from a very beautiful district. Koraput is significant in a number of ways.
Yes, sir.
If you want to talk about your district, you can talk about it for a long time.
Yes,
In various dimensions. So tell us briefly about your district.
Sir, it is a very beautiful, beautiful place, sir.
Yeah.
It is situated in Eastern Ghats.
Yes.
Neighboring district like Navranpur, Malkangiri and Vaigara are surrounded by it. And it has two national highway and then state highway. And road project is going over there, like that is broadification of the road. And it has two international national project like Nalco and HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it has two broad HEP like Majkund and Duruma. After that, the beauty of Koraput town is very much eye-catching, sir. The highest mountain, that is Eastern Ghats highest mountain. Second, not
Umashankar, sorry to stop you there. But we have nicely situated your Koraput and described also in the beauty of the geography and also the modern projects, the NARCO, National Aeronautics, and also Hindustan Aeronautics. So the modern phase and the geological, geographical situation, very good. But at the same time, the unpleasant truth is the undivided Koraput also happens to be the hotbed of left-wing extremism, isn't it? So while we are taking note of these things, beauty, geographical beauty, modern, ongoing development, industrial development, exploitation of the minerals,
Yes.
that's all fine. But at the same time, coexisting is the problem of the red corridor, the red menace,
Yes.
terrorism or left-wing extremism. So how do you...
Sir, it is basically the problem of education, sir. The primary education not given to them. The government also trying to uplift them, sir. But they don't want to join the mainstream because of lack of education. So,
No, they don't want education or we are not able to provide education.
sir, we are trying, sir. But
Then what is stopping us after 70 years or 75 years of independence? Education is the first priority.
yes, sir.
What do you mean to say they don't want to? We are trying. America 75 years ago, what is the problem? When we are able to provide, we have already provided primary education, secondary education to most of the other places in the country. What is the problem there? Those pockets, what is the problem?
The basic problem is education, sir.
Is it access?
Access of education.
Connectivity?
Sir, right now.
Right now, but Gurukriya River, there was a...
Gurukriya Sidhu.
So, isn't it physical connectivity? Okay, tell me, Umashankar, so what the tribal regions? What is the approach of the government? What are the schemes, various schemes?
Sir, the tribal region basically from SC/ST category. The government also provided the schemes like Anvesa, Akankhya, and other.
What is the meaning? Anvesha, Akankhya,
sir, it is basically for education purposes, sir. And government tried to involve them in the mainstream. That is the point, sir. Or another scheme is mid-day meal scheme to attract the people from that background to ensure them to enroll schools. For it is the basic of SDG goal 2, sir. No hunger.
But the SDG goal, of course, there are 17 goals. But what are the main goals?
Like SDG goal number 1, eradication of poverty. Goal number 2 is eradication of hunger. Also goal number 16, sir, exactly I don't remember.
Don't remember the, because it is not a test of your memory. Broadly, what are the important goals?
But 16 is like basic amenities like household, 16, and like 11. Sir, I can't remember. I think.
Okay, okay. And so when you become collector of Koraput in due course, so what would be your priority areas?
Sir, I basically, sir, I am from that area. I belong to the tribe community, sir.
Yes.
So I know the difficulties of the tribe, sir. So when I become a collector or something else at the administrative line,
Yes.
I went them
Yes.
as their community, as a leader of them.
Yes.
They think that our people or our leader
Yes.
can easily
Yes.
motivate them
Uh,
as for primary education or health sector or something else, sir. They they they, uh, they listen to me, sir, because I am one from them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And if I get some time, I take some classes like education classes to them.
You know, there is a standoff between the central government and the farmers, particularly from Punjab, UP, Haryana, etc., regarding the new farm laws, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
They were almost for 1 year.
Yes, sir.
It's a big problem there.
MSP for MSP, sir.
So what do you think should be done now?
Sir, it is for eradication. Sorry, sir. It is the extraction of MSP. Government tried to extraction of MSP, but it is the minimum support price who needed for the farmers. So it must not be.
Okay, it should be guaranteed. That is guaranteed.
Yes, sir.
But government होची आणि केते पर्यंत आम्ही एमती गोटे burden, huge burden, subsidy burden टा आम्ही कोण is it possible economically?
Sir, basically we are from agriculture background, sir. India is agriculture country, so it must be there, sir, so that there is financial support for farmers. They should motivate them for selling their grains to the
Very good, Umasha, sir. Very good. I am happy with that answer, sir.
Shankar, can you tell which district is densely tribal populated in Odisha?
Sir, it is with KVK district and also over Kandhamal, sir, and Mayurbhanj.
Mayurbhanj is
Yes, sir.
number 1.
Sir, also KVK district also there, sir.
But
Mayurbhanj is.
no, in large numbers.
Yes, sir.
Mayurbhanj, I am talking of that.
Yes, sir.
And you belong to Koraput.
Yes, sir.
What is the prospects of ecotourism in Koraput?
Prospect of ecotourism. Sir, I cannot get your.
No, bujundu, you know.
What is ecotourism?
Sorry, sir.
Your ecotourism sites are in Fulbani, Daringwadi, Shimilpar.
Acha, ecotourism sites.
Beautiful.
Acha. Yes, sir. There are lots of beautiful places like waterfalls are there. Like
Which
Duduma.
waterfall?
Duduma waterfall is the biggest waterfall in Machkund, and Rani Duduma is a small waterfall, and 32 Singhasana is there.
I don't know what is Devamadi, where it is situated.
It is famous. It is the highest peak of Odisha, sir.
Where it is situated?
It is situated in Potangi, nearer to Koraput.
Your district?
Yes, sir. Koraput, nearer to Koraput. It is approximately 60 kilometers from Koraput town, sir.
How height it
It
is?
is 1604 meters, sir.
Meter?
Yes, sir.
16 or 18 something?
No, 1604, sir. It is around 1600 meters, sir. Approximately 1600. Because
18 some foot.
feet must be enlarged, sir. But meter it must be
600 meters.
No, sir. It is 1600.
1600.
Yes, sir.
So, Koraput is very rich in scenic beauty and good for ecotourism.
Yes, sir.
As a collector of Koraput district, how you improve ecotourism?
Sir,
What is the benefit of ecotourism to local people?
local people get benefited as get employed through guiding guiding the outsider to see the design video.
So how you improve Koraput as ecotourism? There are Dumduma site, your Devmari site, there are adventure site. How you improve as a collector? What steps you can take if you are a collector? If you were a collector,
Yes,
how?
sir, if I get into that position, I take a deep survey of that places, which are lack of community, lack of communication, something else, and I try to get roads for that area.
What is the importance of tourist police at ecotourism sites?
What is that, sir?
Tourist police.
Tourist project.
We have tourist thanas, fundis.
Yes, sir.
So what is the importance of tourist police at ecotourism sites?
They are trying to get not to.
Leave that. You are a man from computer. You are working in IBM.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Where you are working now?
Sir, right now I am working as a supply inspector.
Apply inspector. You are. So your basic degree in computer science.
Electronics and communication engineering, sir. BTech, sir.
BTech.
Yes, sir.
So what is there are how many numbers between 0 and 1?
Zero. Only one, sir.
Computer
Oh. Only.
knows binary number
Yes, sir.
0 and 1.
0 and 1.
There are how many numbers between 0 and 1? Or no number?
How is it?
Hmm?
Sir, I cannot getting a question, sir.
Computer knows
Yes,
two
sir.
numbers
Yes,
binary
sir.
number.
0 and 1.
Is there any number between 0
No,
and
sir.
1?
No, sir.
No, sir. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Infinity. Why no number? You are a science of mathematics and computer science. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your Koraput is rich in which crop?
Sir, it is millets, sir.
Hmm?
Millets.
Millet.
And sir,
And for which crop Koraput is negotiating with Tata company?
sir, it is coffee, sir. Tata coffee, sir.
So you, the L&D presented
Ah.
coffee to your minister, railway minister, Ashwini Vaishnav,
And
Very recently.
very recently.
sir, there was a place like Kusumgura.
Mhm.
The coffee is what was from there, sir. And Odisha government taken initiative around 46,000
We are
acres.
taking coffee.
Yes, sir.
These are leaf or flower
No,
or
sir. It is it's seeds, sir. Coffee seed.
coffee seed.
Yes, sir. So
What is cappuccino coffee?
cappuccino. It is found in Kerala, like.
So I will ask you one last question. What is NTE?
And sorry, sir, I don't know.
No.
I don't know. I'm definitely looking into it.
What is 86th Amendment Act?
It is your education, sir. It is Amendment Act of 2002 for education.
Not
policy.
NET, New Education.
Not policy.
So your new education policy came into effect in which year?
It's from 2023, sir.
23.
3.
It is implemented now.
Sir,
What is the structural pay pattern?
sir, I unable to recall, sir. I always read but unable to recall, sir.
What is Nishtha scheme? It is related to all your new education policy.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Have you any idea about Niyamgiri?
Niyamgiri, yes, it is nearer to Raigada district, sir. The people are residing there, not the government tried to extract minerals from there, but the local people not.
What is that mineral?
That is bauxite, sir.
Then continue.
Then also manganese.
No, continue. What is the Niyamgiri case? Actually, what is your idea about Niyamgiri case?
Sir, government tried to extract mineral from there, sir. But the local people, they worship
Who are the local people?
like Bondas, sir.
Kondo city ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା କୁଟିଆ କନ୍ଦ ଡଙ୍ଗରିଆ କନ୍ଦ
See, you got to
ଭଣ୍ଡା ହିଲ୍ ଅଲଗା
ନାଇଁ ଅଛି.
ଖୁବ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମାଇକ୍ରୋସ୍କୋପିକ୍ ସେଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ସେମାନେ ନିୟମଗିରି ହିଲ୍ରେ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ହଁ.
ତଳ ରାୟଗଡ଼ାର ଅନ୍ୟ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
Yes, sir.
so they opposed.
Yes, sir.
Then what else? What is the development?
Sir, right now there is no development, sir. It is in hanging stage.
They filed a case before the Supreme Court.
Yes, sir.
What was the consequence of Supreme Court case?
So, sir,
Your house is close to. Just I'll conclude. Sir, कल तक तो कोई नहीं. Question जो देखो chance हो.
yes, sir.
Tribal development. How many tribal communities are there in Odisha?
PVTG.
Primitive tribal groups को सेवन कुछ होते primitive tribals को. दुईटा एक्ट आस्ती गुटे होचे फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट और पेशा एक्ट आस्ती.
Yes, sir.
पंचायत एक्सटेंशन तो शेड्यूल है. सेतिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहले फॉरेस्ट राइट अनुसार ट्राइबल ड्वेलर्स इन द फॉरेस्ट इज देयर हैबिटेट. गवर्नमेंट बा कोनोसी अथॉरिटी बा प्राइवेट कंपनी सेठी एस्टैब्लिश करि परिबे नाही. दे हैव द राइट टू एस्टैब्लिश or extract any mineral resources without the approval of the Gram Sabha. That is the key thing.
Yes.
Because under the PESA Act, also the Forest Rights Act, the village community or the village Gram Sabha is a sovereign body as sovereign as Parliament is. ये कथाटी सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहले. तापर सबुतरे ग्राम सभा हला. ग्राम सभा के समान अपोज करे प्रोजेक्ट बंद हे गला.
Yeah, no, sir.
ଭଲ କଥା ସେ ସାର୍
Thank
ନା ଏଇଟା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ୟୁଜୁଆଲି ସେଇ ପଟ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିନ୍ସ ୟୁ ବିଲଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ତାଙ୍କର କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଚାଲିଛି. ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି, ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି. ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 275(1) ଯୋଉଠି ଫୁଲ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟଟା ଆସେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ TSP ଯାହାର ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିନ୍ସ ୟୁ ବିଲଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ଏ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଲୋକାଲ ଏରିଆ ତେଣୁ ପଚାରିବା ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଅଛି.
Yes, sir.
ହେଲା ମୋର ସର ପଚାରିବା ପାଇଁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି. he is coming for Umashankar, he is coming for the second. କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି ଉମାଶଙ୍କର?
He's doing well.
ଆଜି
Confident, sir.
କାଣ୍ଡିତ ଆମେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁକରି ଆମେ କହିବୁ ସାର୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଚାରିଲେ ଇକୋ ଟୁରିଜମ quite possible eco is a word I also learned later. ବୁଝିଲେ କି?
Yes, sir.
even eco ନ ବୁଝିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯେତେବେଳେ member is asking eco tourism ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି?
Yes, sir.
Because you were worried about the word eco. It's a difficult word, I agree. If you have not heard of it, you have not heard of it. I also learned it later. Tourism, it's easy to understand. Then you should connect it. Because you began by saying, sir, Amara district is a beautiful. So tourists, they pick up. Then tourism, then you start saying, Badia waterfall. So you should, even if you miss one cue, take another cue from the word tourism and then start speaking that. Hanging body, that's a good thing. Now they are not extracting, but ये जो point Supreme Court कहिला, Supreme Court ने पर्यंत गल्ला, ये कहले नहीं ग्राम सभा क्लियरेंस दिला पर्यंत मैं कहीं पर.
जन सुनाए Jan Sunai.
Jana Sunai. Yeah. So that's a very important ruling from, that means suddenly it becomes it becomes soccer. The power is in the hands of the, really you feel the power of India in the hands of the people. So it's a very important development. So Jani Bhagata. And when I was also about Red Corridor, you समस्त अपन दोष दो तो जाएंगे से मैंने पढ़ना देंगे सब दोष को तांगो ऊपर लगले बोले बुझे because the fact is Guru Priya ne after 70 years only 2 years back we put a bridge, otherwise it is called a cut off area. They remained cut off because of the development dam Masula, and then we forgot because there was difficulty in putting a bridge. It has taken 75 years or so to put the bridge automatically the problem. So we cannot blame the Adivasis everything, not blame the, but ये जो infrastructure because of difficult geography, it is a bit और टिक्का deep answer देगा कोई. Otherwise you have done very well, Uma Shankar, बढ़िया करचंदी, and कभी अपन को interview टा 30th, 10 days है, बुझे लगे?
के भलसे देखी देवी सर.
But not only that, practice करना, because it is not new question, new answer, बुझे लगे? ये old questions, Koraput is a old कौन आइची, Naxal problem, development, and ये जो farmers agitation बला अपने दिले. हंगे हम still we are an agricultural economy society, then agree हंगे as long as they need it, तांको टिके दबा को बड़ी को. I like it. बुझे लगे? There may be other views, but that's a good answer because that is your answer. You have thought about it. Similarly, think करी बात करी. Okay? All the best. आओ किच बचारे पर अच्छे. हाँ, a smile करी पाओ, be comfortable.
The sir को प्रश्न तो you have given correct answer.
And his attitude was very good. Sir, party नहीं party भी.
नहीं सर, माइनस इकोटूरिज्म में अंदर क्वेश्चन से रिप्लाई सब दी चलती.
हाँ, जे कर चुके. And even where he doesn't know, he is smiling. He says, "Sir, mo ita party de." I will go. That's a right attitude.
Ecotourism रा content कही.
Local natural flora fauna ये सब पता
Local
कोई
finance and economy.
No, I like his answer about the farmers. He took a very strong stand. नहीं आएंगे whatever he may say आएंगे हमें चासी लोगों का अपन को प्राथमिकता देगा. बोले confidence करिए, smiling करिए. Okay, all the best, Uma Shankar. You will make it.
Now you will definitely successful.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
all the best. God bless you.
Don't be nervous.
नहीं सर, 5 दिन बहुत टिक नर्वस थे. आज ही confident.
No, no sir. Always inculcate a spirit of
अकेला नहीं ना और ये जो.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
Thank you sir.
तिष्ठत जाग्रत उठ एवं जाग्रत रहो.